The number one tool in your beard grooming kit should be a beard trimmer. It's really important to have one, especially if you have a short beard. Once I got one, it became a lot easier to do my top line and my bottom line and trim the sides. I got a Philips one over here. I paid for it, I think 30 or 40 bucks. I had it for years. It's kind of crap, but also it does the job. When I had a short beard, about 2 months old, the clippers made it a lot easier to trim it. There is a guard on top and I can adjust the length. I would set it up to 6. I don't know what actual length it is, it's just the setting is 6 on the clippers to trim the front of my face. And for the sides, I would go number 4, and then for the top I would go number 2, and this would taper my short beard really nicely and would make my face look elongated. So if you don't want to go to your barber once a week or every 2 weeks to trim your beard, get one of these. It will make your life a lot easier. Now if I would have to buy new clippers today, I would go either for Manscaped 4.0 or Brio Beardscape. Both of them are around 100 bucks on Amazon depending on the composition, and if you don't have 100 bucks like me, go for something cheaper. Number 2 item essential for your beard is a beard comb. You can use a brush as well. If you're using a comb, make sure it's a wooden one that has slightly wider teeth. Do not touch your beard with the plastic comb, it will rip the hair out of it. When you start using your beard comb, don't be aggressive, go in slowly, brush throughout the whole length. This thing is really good at getting rid of tangles and straightening out your hair. And it's very important to have one, especially for longer beards. Now, if you want to get your beard hair even more straight, you should use a blow dryer with your beard comb. The good thing about the blow dryer is you can control the heat, you can control the power, and you can control how close you want to get it to your face. I use a blow dryer after every shower. Combining it with the beard comb, it gives my beard more volume, it gets my hair even more straight. Now, there is an alternative to a blow dryer, and that's a heat brush. I personally haven't tried one. It is on my list of things to get. I'll probably go for a crucial bar or an air comb. They're around 40-50 bucks and they work the same as a beard comb and a blow dryer. The difference is you apply a bit more heat and it gets your beard even more straight. The drawback is that you can't really control the amount of heat you apply on your beard. But some people had really great results, and personally I wouldn't mind trying it out. Last essential item to have in your kit are the scissors. I got them in a Poundland when I was living in the UK, which is like a dollar store, so nothing fancy. The thing I like about my scissors is I have a longer beard, and if I want to trim it down, I have a bit more control than with the trimmer. Because with the trimmer I don't really want to get close to my beard, and with the scissors I can really see what exactly I'm trimming. Another drawback with the trimmer is if, let's say, I want to go from one side to the other, my ones are cheap, crappy ones. Even if I do it slowly, it's gonna apply pressure and it's gonna turn the beard, and I'm gonna end up with a taper. So with the scissors I can actually get a straighter cut. I don't use them very often, maybe once a month, but I'm definitely happy that I have them in my kit. Once you get these 4 essential items in your kit, go watch the video about the beard growth mistakes I used to make.